future isn't coming, it's already here. AI is reshaping everything from how we work to how we think. But with so much noise out there, who's really telling the truth? I'm Kelvin, and this is Next Gen Insight. This channel breaks down the next wave of innovation, AI, tech, and the systems behind the future. With straight talk and clear thinking, welcome to the new era. Let's get into it. Technology is evolving faster than ever, and if you're not keeping up, you are falling behind. But here's the good news. You don't need to scroll endlessly through tech blogs, read 20-page white papers, or get buried in AI jargon. Every week, Next Gen Insight breaks it down for you. The newest innovations in artificial intelligence, emerging tech trends, digital tools, and what they actually mean for your life, your career, and your future. Whether you're building a business, chasing success, or just staying ahead of the curve, this is the channel built to make you unstoppable. Most people don't realize they are falling behind, but it's not because they are lazy. It's because the world changed slightly behind their backs. You weren't taught how to use AI to automate your jobs, or how to turn attention into income, or how to stay relevant in an era of constant upgrades. That's where this channel comes in. At Next Gen Insight, we're not just talking about the future, we're helping you create it. Whether it's AI, automation, or the next big tech leap, we break down the tools, the trends, and the tactics that matter, so you don't just keep up, you stay ahead. Every week, we break down the tools, platforms, and strategies shaping tomorrow today, from real-world AI use cases to game-changing startups to growth tactics that actually work. No fluff, just what you need to stay ahead. Whether you're building something from scratch or leveling up where you've already started, we've got you covered.